You know, just grinding coffee in my Dalek. I mean, it really looks like a Dalek. Exterminate. And drinking out of my Doctor Who mug. That won't come into focus. There we go. And my Doctor Who mug. I customized some tea. Come along, Pond. It's actually really good too. It's from, oh, it's Fandom Blends. I designed it myself. It's from Adagio Teas, so. Yeah. Okay, I'm just gonna grind my coffee and my Dalek there. So we're headed out to go and eat with his family. I told you guys to eat a lot. This is crazy. There's a Jollibee. He's happy. I don't like Jollibee.
Go inside, Summer. It's cold there. Yeah,
I'm okay. I'm okay. I'm okay. I'm not okay. It's hot.
A lot of them ain't got AC. Oh, you're getting the wrong bread now. It has to be sprouted. Hot.
It's so hot out here, guys. I have no idea. It is really hot out here right now. Huh? Hey, you want to see your hair? Look, here.
Is it? Oh. Look at the side. I can't see.
Oh, it's good. You're good. You say watermelon? Donald, is that watermelon? Donald, is that watermelon? Get it.
He has it already.
Huh? Oh, you got one already?
Oh God, my head is burning.
Why am I standing in the sun? That's what having a Filipino mother-in-law does. She brought us a whole lot of stuff. No, it does not. So this is where I feel like I've gone into a whole other country right now.
Philippines.
Donald said I'm in the Philippines right now. So I'm a tourist right now. I'm just here.
I don't belong here.
You belong in what?
Can't you tell by the American accent?
So where are you guys eating?
I'm guessing they're gonna eat there.
Okay. At Grill City. Okay.
Red ribbons. We got LBC. Can't have Philippines without LBC.
They have Red Ribbon. I like Red Ribbon.
Take a look at that.
What's LBC? That's a packaging company, isn't it? No, you cannot eat. I know that. Oh dear God.
Sa Manila Sunset.
Probably the grill.
Go to, darling. Go to the in front of Manila Sunset. You select the food, and I'm waiting for Tommy.
Oh my God.
Oh, you like here? Here is only barbecue and one. And there we have lot.
Okay.
Go and you compare. See, go.
Okay. Wait, is it like different kinds of barbecue? Oh dear God, there is. Come on, come on to focus. Shrimp balls. Oh yeah, Renee and I brought some shrimp balls one time to the house. The barbecue smells good. I look like a tourist. This is great. I love it. I'm the only black girl in here. This is great.
If you listen carefully. Never mind. She stopped talking. Sorry. Guys, what do you want?
Come on. Where you're at? Manila Sunset. More stuff.
Ayan ang mga actual food. I'm happy you come.
Me too. Yeah. I've never been here.
You're very busy.
Yeah. She just like hit me hella hard.
Yeah. Ang fresh lumpia, vegetable.
Look at that barbecue pork.
There, we'll get that squid right there.
Okay, you want to eat here or not?
I want chicken.
Okay, go order.
No, you do it for
They
me.
have the
No,
barbecue
number
chicken.
four. No,
Please
no.
They have the barbecue
You're in
chicken.
Philippines. You gonna order
Or the
like a
chicken,
tourist.
the big old
I
chicken
want that
leg.
big old chicken. So you can take it. Tommy's my tourist, my tour guide. I want that chicken.
I'm gonna get
Chicken.
and a chicken in a salad.
Dito na lang. O, sige.
Four chicken. This is how I treat my wife in Philippines.
This is horrible. That's why it's going out of focus, because it's like, no.
Pork skin? You guys eat pork skin? No. You don't eat pork skin? No. You want any vegetables? No. You want any
So
noodles?
get some pancit.
What's a lentil? What's a
Yeah.
Mom, what's that lentil?
What is that?
Looks like it's a couple of them.
Look at come in the focus.
Look like a few 20. I think it's $100. That'd probably be like $30. It's not gonna be $30. I bet it's gonna be like $80. You know, there's calamansi. There's calamansi. What's the coconut water?
They don't have that. Is it even moving? He's happy he found his coconut water that I can't focus on. What is it?
Bam!
You happy?
Source of life.
Right now it is $44.03. What is it? You have it upside down. Slavana? Slavana? Slavana.
Savannah.
Slavana. Cambodia.
Vlogging?
Yeah.
Oh shit.
Are you vlogging? You're gonna be an internet sensation now. It's Donald. Is he pooping?
That's one.
He's pooping. He's still in there. I beat him.
I'm waiting for Donald. He's in the bathroom.
Oh, nothing.
Taking a shit.
Yeah.
Well,